What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Today we're continuing our Rustoleum Custom Mix series with a brand new spray out. Now, in the 90s, the Ford Mustang had a very unique color come out that everybody wanted, and there was a ton of different things around it saying that the paint was super expensive and super unique and you couldn't get it. And I know you probably know what I'm talking about by now. Mr. Chrome paint. It was really cool. It was one of the first factory-ish color shifts that come out. It was like primarily from the looks of it, a purple, and it would shift to green, to blue, to pinks. It would do all kinds of things. It was one of the original Chameleon factory paints. Well, today we're going to try and replicate it. So what I've done is I went out and got gloss purple. And I've got a color shift here that shifts from blue to green to purple to pinks in extreme light. Alright, so what I'm thinking is we put this gloss purple down first and then we do the color shift over it in a couple coats and we should get close to that Mr. Chrome. It might not be perfect, but there's only one way to find out. We got my test panel right back here, my good old trusty fender. Got it sanded down with 600 prep with prep all, and we're going to put some Rustoleum purple on it real quick. And then we'll get to see, can we make poor man's Mr. Chrome? Alright guys, so now that we got our fender painted gloss purple, you know the dinosaur? Yeah. Now we got it painted gloss purple, it's time to add some pearl to it. So what I've done is I've used my test clear, not to be taken full scale as you probably know from previous episodes. If you want to buy some good clear or any products you see me use in this video, guys, my Amazon links are in the description. Just click on that, it'll take you to As Seen on YouTube, and you can purchase pearl kits like this and good clear coat, speedo coat, 2K urethane, a little bit of anything, guys, the rags, the paint gun, anything I use. But I mixed up 4 ounces of clear. This clear mix is 4 to 1. I'm going to use fast reducer today. It's in the 50s, so it's a little on the cooler side. So I'm going to put 1 ounce of hardener in this, so that'll be 4 to 1. And we're going to mix up some pearl. Now, as far as this pearl goes, this little container contains about 5 grams, 3 to 5 grams. I'm not 100% sure on that. I have to look back at the listing. But I'm going to put about half a gram in there. That should be plenty enough for a fender. If you wanted to take this full scale, you would probably want to do 25 grams. So I'm going to open up this little case and I'm going to spritz a little bit in there. It's not going to take a whole awful lot. Just make sure I get enough though. And that's going to be it. And mix this up real good. Huh, interesting. Let me bring you in for a closer look so you can see this pearl in action. As you can see, it's got some purples, some blues, and even in the right light, some greens to it. Pretty interesting color. But hey, there's only one way to find out if we can truly make Mr. Chrome. And that's by loading it in the gun and getting to spraying. Alright guys, so my wife has opted to help us out with this today. And we are spraying through the VVOR gun. It's a 1.4 tip, and we spray between 26 and 28 psi wide open trigger if you want to replicate our settings. Obviously first coat is just a tack coat, so we're going to tack it up real good and then we'll lay it to it and see if we can get this Mr. Chrome. So I'm going to let her get into it and cue the music. Alright guys, so that's the project for today. Now, I started this out trying to get Mr. That's what I thought. But then, something happened. I realized there wasn't as much green in this color shift as I hoped it would be. And that's one of the primary colors in trying to get Mr. And I had another color shift that was just like it, but I used all of it when we were doing our Galaxy Bomb roof. It is what it is. Sometimes you get huge successes, sometimes it's a fail. And I don't really think this is a fail. Actually, I think it's a beautiful color. It's a really cool blurple pearl with kind of a hint of pink when the light hits it just right. I actually love this color. I just don't think it was Mr. And it happens. Sometimes you go looking for one color and you create a completely different one that you like just as much. And this might be the case. You guys let me know. Y'all are the judge, jury, and executioner on this one. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What could I have done better? What would you like to see next? You pick a color, you pick a pearl. Rustoleum Custom Mix. That's what we're all about on this channel. Experimenting. We have our wins, we have our losses. But all in all, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching today. I hope if you made it this far in the video, you will please hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know how I'm doing. And like I said, it's a real pleasure to keep doing these videos for you guys. We're growing every day, getting closer to that 5,000 subscriber giveaway. And hey, I couldn't be more happy with everything, guys. But anyways, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video nonetheless. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. You guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next one.